everyone! It's me. I got a special enveloping. I got a special package. This is something that is going to change the diamond painting world. I really believe it will. It's awesome. Hold up. Thumbnail. All right. So yeah, I believe this is going to change the diamond painting world. I ordered it, I don't know, a few weeks ago. Just got it today. Lead time is a little long, but it's because it has to be made. Oh, knocked over my vape. Hello. It has to be made in order to be sent to you. So what is it, you say? Well, it's a new type of tray on the market. From a company called Firefly Diamond Art. It's, to me, revolutionary. It's like, it's going to change the game for me completely. Like, I've been using, we all know, Archer's Arts, or I'm not even exactly sure who made this one. It's got my name on it. But yeah, you know, we all got, we know all of these companies, all of these trade companies. There's plenty of them out there, you know. I think they're all great. But this one here, for whatever reason, is just, to me, going to revolutionize the tray industry. And I think every other tray manufacturer is going to have to step up a little bit. But we'll wait and see. They look good. I have not seen one in person. I haven't used one. So I don't know. But look at that. They sent me a Charms lollipop. And strawberry Zots. I love Zots. Thank you. And I get my, oh, they send me a little holographic thank you business card for supporting their small business. That is so awesome. That's one of the coolest cards I've ever seen. Wow, awesome. And it says heart, Matt and Emily. Matt and Emily are a couple that make these trays. Really nice people. They were on T-Malls Live last week. And they just seem like really cool people. And they sent me a code to scan to visit their website and use code Firefly10 for 10% off your next purchase. Cool. Thank you. Awesome. And let's pull out the trays. Shall we? Oh, more stuff. Wait, hold up. Okay, I think that's all of it. They sent me a little piggy sticker. I like the little pig. Oh, wait. Another sticker. It says, each day is a blank canvas. Go and make some marks. How cool. And now we get to the tray. I gotta unbox it way up here. I've got a new desk, y'all. You can see. Oh man, it's awesome. It was, my neighbor got evicted. They threw all their stuff out in the front yard. And last night I went rummaging because the neighbors moved back to the Middle East. They were college students here and they left and they never paid their rent. So they just threw them out and threw all their stuff out in the front yard. So Dave went rummaging and found this nice, awesome desk. A very sturdy, solid desk. And it's so much better than that folding table I was using. So let's unbox the tray. This one here is called their Flint X starter set. It actually comes with 2 trays with a lid, with 1 lid. Wow. And it came, I got it done in rainbow. So this is the Flint X. You see it on the bottom. They are about the same size as my Archer's tray. A little bit less tray size. How are ya? Ooh, baby. A little bit less tray size. But one thing I don't see is I don't see the little flaw at the end of the, if you look at the end of the runs, it may be a little bit spread out there where the thing makes it, where the printer makes its U-turn to go back. So it goes up, makes a U-turn, comes back, and it usually leaves the tip of that line being a little bit wider, and a lot of times round drills will get stuck in there. And that's the problem I have with my Archer's Arts tray. You can, you can really see how the drills get stuck in those really wide. See how those are really wide in there? And that's the one common issue I found in 3D printed trays, is that. But that doesn't look like it really has that much of an issue there. And it is so pretty. Look at it's like I got a silk sheen to it. It says Firefly on the end there. And the best part about this is these stack. See the little ridges there? You can slide this tray, I think. No, you actually cannot. Man, I thought you could slide the tray in and it would stack on top. Okay, they're still stackable trays though. Oh wait, that's because I'm doing it wrong. Dave, you're doing it wrong. There it is. Look at that. The trays stack. They hold together. It's got a pen holder, and it's got, look at that. You can put your trash drills in right here. And it's got a lid. You pull the lid back and pull it off. Oh wow, it's got a green bottom and a gold top. How awesome is that? You can do that. Oh yeah. And it really gets in there like it's tight. There it goes. Yep. See, your lid is nice and tight. I love that color. Man, that's awesome. It's like purple on the bottom, and it goes to a blue and a green and a yellow and an orange on top. That's really cool rainbow. I like that. But I love that teal on the inside, and they're sturdy. They're not, I mean, they're really sturdy. And your hole is a pen holder. These are pen holders. Look, you can stick your pen in there, and it holds your pen for you. That is really cool. And I guess the other side, really, if you wanted to, could be a tweezer holder. How awesome is that? But now, the best part about this, check this out, y'all. Check this out. Put one there. I'm gonna leave that one there for a test subject. So we're gonna dump some drills in here. Okay. Look at that. There's no stopper on the end of that, is there? You can put your drills up there and they don't fall out. So now, once you get your drills all shook out nice and pretty in your tray, the way you want them, see? Get them all lined up in there nice and pretty in your tray. Diamond paint all you want. Now, you're done with your color, you need to change that color. Just slide your lid on like that. Wait a minute, upside down. We don't want to do it that way. Slide your lid on like that. Really? Ready? And now, let me put that right there. Now watch this. See this little thing right here? You just pull it over. You'll never spill your drills again trying to dump them out. They're not going to go flipping out of the tray everywhere. They've solved that problem. If you look in there, you see it's open to the inside here. Let me pull the lid off. You can see it's open to the inside, but you push that over and it closes. Oop. How am I doing that? Okay, there you go. Then, in, out, in. Isn't that cool? So cool. So yes, these are Firefly Diamond Art. This is the starter kit of Flint X. Two trays with one lid. Their price is $22 and something for both trays and a lid. If you contact them, they have a Facebook group as well. If you contact them about it, they can put stuff on your lid for you. It's phenomenal. They can put designs on your lid, whatever. I think I'm going to order one that's got my Diamond Dave, maybe some kind of a diamond in the middle with word like Diamond Dave around it or something. I don't know. I'll come up with something there and have them put me a lid on top. Maybe even buy a separate lid. I don't know. But they're definitely $22 for both trays. And they also have the high wall like my Archers does. See, my Archers, it's a little bit shorter than the Archers, but it's got the high wall. Hold on, let me flip it up like that. There we go. There you go. I mean, they're not too much difference in height. I think I have found the tray to replace the Archer's Arts tray that I've been using since 2019. I'm still going to keep it around. That was my very first, that and my grinder from Archers were my very first diamond painting accessory purchases ever. So I'm never going to get rid of them, and I'll still use it, just not as often as I will these. Look at that. That is so cool. And I can just put my Harbor Freight tray there, container there in that tray, pick my Firefly up, flip the switch, and dump it all right back into my Harbor Freight. You might get one or two that kind of bounce out of the Harbor Freight like that one did. But then all you gotta do is whoop, like that, and it's fixed. Tell me how cool that is. Firefly Diamond Art Flint X trays. They also have they have several different varieties of trays. Bigger, smaller, minis. They got several different varieties. But these are the ones I chose because it was just, you know, there was two of them. It's like a color changing purple on the bottom. That is so cool. No, wait. There are different colors on the bottom. Yeah. One's purple, one's brown. Still cool. Wait, I think I still got a drill in there. One drill. Didn't come out. So yeah, y'all. Go check them out. Firefly Diamond Art. Definitely worth what I paid for those. I will, yes, for sure, we'll be getting more. Wow. Blown away. Trash drills. Trash drill holder. Pen holder. And this revolutionary sliding stopper. And the fact that they slide together like that and stack together just is awesome. Absolutely love it, y'all. Thank you, Matt and Emily, for coming up with this design and this idea. I think you've changed the tray world forever. And I'm looking forward to whatever you all can innovate next. So until I see y'all again, remember to rock on and roll tide.